In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to click on advanced features. Then choose one-handed mode, use the switcher to activate it and tap on one of those options to pick a perfect one to reduce display size with. After you decided, follow all of the instructions below the chosen one. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To change placement of it, click on this icon on the left, or on the right, hold this line at the top and drag it. To go back to standard size screen, click on blur area, and to disable one-handed mode completely, click on this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!